Tools needed for this install is a T25 Torx bit, Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Ram pickup. Let's get started and open up the tailgate. First step, using your T25 Torx bit, remove 2 screws holding your taillight. Next, to unseat your taillight, you're going to grab it firmly on the top and carefully disconnect the ball joint on the top and then the bottom. After you unseat your taillight, go and get a small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press down on this red tab holding the harness. From here, you're going to press down on the tab on the connector and disconnect your taillight. Before we install our taillight, go ahead and bring over your factory OEM taillight. Take it to the back. You're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to remove 4 Phillips screws to remove the light bulb sockets. After removing your screws, carefully lift up on the bulb socket strip. Go ahead and grab your new tail light. Flip it over to the back. Disconnect your reverse light bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise. Next, you're going to grab the bottom bulb. Go ahead and disconnect the bulb. Plug it into the bulb socket. Go ahead and reinstall your bulb socket. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now we're ready to install our tail light. Go ahead and bring over your new tail light. Be sure to grab the Phillips screws that the tail light come with. They have them stuck on the tail light. So go ahead and plug in your harness. And slide the red clip to lock it in place. Get your harness out of the way. Next, these 2 guide pins here, you're going to drop them into the slot. And then you're going to carefully push the bulb socket into place. From here, go ahead and reinstall the Phillips screws. After installing your passenger side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. Now that we have our taillights installed, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.